Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to work with these two pieces that my daughter and I found in the dumpster. We are dumpster divers. Our channel is Dumpster Chic. It's going to be linked in the description box. And a while ago we found these two unicorns at, I think it was Burlington's dumpster. And I'm going to kind of give them a second chance in life. This one is in perfect condition except for some chipping in the horn, and it's a piggy bank, as you can see, but it has the lid missing. Price, the reduced price was $3.49. I don't know which the original price was. This one has the horn missing, but long time ago we also found one like this in white. It was pink and I painted it white. I have a video when I worked with it. And we found also horns that were loose in the dumpster. These two, one in silver, one in gold. And I decided to keep them just in case. And now they come in handy because I'm going to use one of them for this little cutie pie. It's a planter, so I wanted you to see how they look, and then I'll be back to show you what I'm going to do with them. Thank you. Well, I am back with my pieces fixed. I painted the horn completely because the silver paint I had was not exactly the same that the other one, the original one, so I painted it. And now I notice, oh yes, I should paint this. I haven't seen this piece missing here of gold, but I will fix this later. I added the horn that I had left from other unicorn to the she. This is a he, Mr. and Mrs. Unicorn. So there is no much else to do with them, but I'm not going to use it as a piggy bank, so I don't mind covering this hole. And I'm going to place this in a shelf. This part is not going to be seen, so I don't worry about that. I bought this pillar and at the Dollar Tree, so I'm going to add this head on top of this pillar. But first I wanted to add some accent to this, so I'm going to glue a little bit of silver ribbon that I have to the borders. Let me use my finger protector as usual. No, this is a smaller one. And I'm going to add the ribbon. Just a little bit of hot glue all around the border, and I'm gluing it here. I'm going to do the same with the lower border. It's easy to work with this piece in this way. It needs more hot glue. Here we go. That's much better. And now let's do this side. Again, let's go all around. And I'm going to cut a little bit. It's too long. So now more hot glue. And let's finish this. Yes, it's too. Oh, sorry. Please stay there. Keep quiet. Well, the scissors are not wood. They are not working anymore. I have had them for a long time, and they are from Dollar Tree for $1, you know, more than a year, maybe 2 years. So I think it looks much better this way. So let me see what's the front. Yeah. So now I'm going to add E6000 and hot glue to adhere the head of the unicorn to the base, the top of the pillar, like so. And I don't know if the hot glue is going to touch. I don't think so, but anyway, let me try to add some, just in case. I'm going to add this firmly. I think that's the perfect place. Yes. So this guy is finished. Of course, now we have to wait. I have to wait for the glue to dry, but that's it for him. So now let's work on her. The only thing I need to add to her is flowers. So I have these ones that I found in the dumpster, and we found, if you go to our channel you will see one of many videos, but especially one where we found over $3,000 in flowers at my cost. Okay, it's amazing. So well, I made this little bouquet that is really springy, and I tied it with floral wire, and I'm going to add it to her, and I think she looks gorgeous. And to complete everything, there is something else that I'm going to do for the shell, when I'm going to place these two beauties. This is something we also found in the dumpster at Michael's. Is this frame. These two sides were completely separated, here and here, so I had to glue these parts again. This was holding perfectly, but this needed a little reinforcement, so I added a bit of wood here. And I had this piece of foam that was also from the dumpster, and I cut it to size. And what I did is I used this, is my favorite blackboard sticker. Is contact paper, but it's like a blackboard. You can write on it, even with it comes with chalks of different colors, as you see here. It's very inexpensive. It's like $7 or so on Amazon, and you get a lot. I still have remaining a lot, and I have had this, using it almost in every DIY I make since 2019, for you to have an idea how much you get for the price. So I cut a piece to this size. I printed from internet this sign. I used white transfer paper, and something I really recommend, because as I always say, I don't have a pencil here, but well, let's try writing something. If you had to transfer something on a black surface that you're going to paint in white later, and you use, let's hope this will work. Yes, you see, you get everything already in white. You just have to go with a brush or a marker and paint on top of that, and makes it much more easy to write or draw an image on a black surface. So I transferred it, and then I painted it with this white marker, which I love. and voila, this is what I got. Previously I made a mark where the borders, so not to make it bigger than the visible part. So now I'm going to place it inside this frame. This frame came without the backing and without the glass, but I don't need the glass. And for the backing I'm using, that's why I made these marks, because I need it standing. If I was going to hang it or to just, I don't know, showcase it in another, maybe in front of some books, and it could be, I don't know. I think you understand, the books could keep it standing, that would be great. But it's going to be in a place where I need a backing with this flap. So I had this one left from another frame. Of course it's not the size, but it's going to work. I made the marks for where I have to glue it, and that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to add a little bit of 6000, not too much, because maybe someday I would like to change the image and I want to be able to unglue it, but to reinforce it I'm adding the 6000 and some hot glue. I need another stick, so here we go. Do you have this problem when you are working with the hot glue, that when you add the new stick it doesn't go to the bottom? So you see, I have to press and press till it touches the old one. It had happened to me with all the glue guns that I have had, so I think it's a problem that all the glue guns have, but I really don't know, and I have no idea how to solve it, so I keep on pushing the sticks. So here we have this glue, and this is finished. This video, as you probably saw in the plate at the beginning, is part of the Chic for Cheap challenge, hosted by Christi Creates, and her co-host this month is Crafty Quinn. I will leave the link to their channels in the description box, and I will also leave the link to the playlist with all the videos entered in this challenge. Please visit their channels and watch all the videos, so you will help us grow. Now you can see my DIYs, and I really hope you like them. If so, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber already, and ring the bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much to both hostesses for hosting this challenge. Please visit their channels and watch the videos in the playlist. And as usual, thank you so much to all of you for watching my videos. Hope to see you in my next one, and have a wonderful, wonderful day.